Welcome back to A&A's Kitchen. So, summer is coming, so it's time to make ice cream! So, we're going to make chocolate ice cream. There's only 3 things that you need: condensed milk, double cream, and cocoa powder. But you gotta keep the bowl and the whisks in the fridge for 30 minutes. First, we're going to add 2 cups of double cream in our bowl, and then we need to beat it. And it's supposed to be nice and fluffy after you've beaten it. And I'm going to show you a magic trick after I've beaten it. So I'm going to turn the bowl upside down, and it's not going to fall. It's going to be a challenge. Let's see who's going to be right. Check this out. I'm going to flip it over and let's see if anything drips. It's not dripping. So my trick, I'm now pour 1 cup of condensed milk. Now we're going to beat the condensed milk with the double cream, and then we're going to add the chocolate powder to make it nice and brown. Spoon, and I'm gonna taste it. I want to taste you some. Are you? That's too much. Too much. I want it. I'm never ever gonna buy ice cream from the shop again. I love tasting. If you want, you can add any chocolate at home, or you can add chocolate chips. We're going to add flake. I can't. How do I get the piece off? I can't get it. Who's going to eat it? Now you need to add your mixture into a container. Then you need to add it in the freezer. And then you need to leave it in the freezer overnight. And then it will be ready to eat. Now we've taken our ice cream out of the freezer, we're going to try it. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy your ice cream. Bye!